Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some suspension work and reviewing the MOOG K500287 front lower ball joint. A solid upgrade or replacement if your Jeep Cherokee is feeling a little wobbly in the front end. Whether you're chasing that OEM ride feel or beefing up for off-road handling, this is a part worth checking out. Let's get into it. So this is the MOOG K500287. MOOG's known for solid aftermarket suspension parts, and this ball joint is no exception. It's designed for a tight, durable fit on the front lower, full metal construction, pre-installed grease fitting, powder-coated housing for corrosion resistance, engineered to exceed OEM standards. And what I love about MOOG is that they include a Zerk fitting for easy greasing, super important if you want longevity, especially if you're doing off-road or harsh weather driving. Before we start the install, here's what you're gonna need: jack and jack stands, lug wrench, ball joint press rental from most auto parts stores, socket set and ratchet, torque wrench, hammer and punch, pliers, safety glasses and gloves. Start by jacking up the Jeep and removing the front wheels. Make sure your vehicle is safely supported on jack stands before doing anything else. Next, we're removing the brake caliper and rotor to get better access. Now, you'll need to disconnect the steering knuckle from the lower ball joint. That cotter pin might be a pain. Grab pliers and some patience. Use a ball joint separator or press tool to pop the old joint out. Sometimes a hammer helps, but don't go full Thor on it. Press in the new MOOG K500287 using your ball joint press. Make sure it's seated fully and straight this part. Critical: reassemble everything in reverse order, torque all bolts to spec, and don't forget to grease the new joint once it's installed. That's it for today, folks. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Jeep DIYs and product reviews. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I try to reply to everyone.